Hello guys, and welcome to this new Power BI tutorial. In this video I'm going to create the following IBM dashboard using IBM HR dataset. As you can see, we are going to create different charts. We have bar chart, donut chart, scatter plot, stacked bar chart, and also we have a matrix or a heat map. You can directly download the dataset on Kaggle, and also you can find the link in my description to my GitHub repository and also to download the logo. So I'm going to use the dataset as it is, but I just want to clarify for three columns that we are going to use in our dashboard. The first one is education, right? So I'm going to use mainly numbers, and as you can see, the numbers go from 1 to 5. For example, 5 is doctor, 4 master, 3 bachelor, etc. We have job satisfaction, so 1 is low, 2 medium, 3 high, and 4 very high. And the last one, it will be work-life balance. So for 1 we have bad, 2 good, 3 better, and 4 best. As you can see, mainly all our charts contain iteration. So we have iteration by education level, iteration by gender, by department, and also by work-life balance. Then we are going to see the relationship between the age and the monthly income with the iteration. And we have also job satisfaction, job role, and iteration. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to create one measure, which is iteration rate. To create that, we write iteration rate equals to, use the divide function. So basically we are going to count the number of rows where iteration equals to yes. I named the dataset or the file IBM HR. So we have filter in the file IBM HR the column iteration where the row equals to yes, divided by the total number of rows, which is 1470. Otherwise, give me 0. So this is the function to create the iteration rate. And for me, since I have created already the dashboard, I just need to create new page. And to download the dataset, you can just click on connect, text CSV, and you can import your dataset. So first we need to import the logo. We click on insert, image, and here we have our logo. Put it in the center, right? Next, we are going to create our slicers, right? Slicer, right? Let's do it like that. The first one will be the age. And I'm going to format that. So general, effects, border, 10. Same thing for the image, 10. Just copy paste this one. So this will replace it with marriage status. Which would be drop down 10. Same thing for the values as 10. Right. We have two more, so we have department and gender. So copy paste in here. So this one will be the gender. Same thing, 10. Drop down, also 10. Okay, so just remove this. Copy paste, it will be the department. All right, now select all of them, press Ctrl key and select all of them. Format, align, and distribute horizontally. Okay, now we select all of them. Okay, Next we have the KPIs. So press Control, copy paste. All right, here it will be card. So the first one, it will be average of monthly income. So here we have monthly income as the average. Need to decrease the values, so put it here like 30 or 25. Same thing for the label, and we rename that. So average monthly income. All right, next we have total employees, copy paste. So we have here employee number as the count, so rename it as total employees. Next we have average years at the company. So here we have years at company as the average, so rename. Okay, and last one, it will be the attrition rate. So copy paste. So we have attrition rate, and it is 16.12%. Right. Next we have on a chart. So we have attrition by gender. Right. So create donut chart. We have gender, total employees as count, put it like that. Where the attrition equals to yes. All right, now we rename that. So have the attrition by gender, gender as black. Can also change the colors. So for male we put orange, so this is the exact code, right, to get orange. And for blue, so for female, we have also this blue, which has this hex code, right? Can also add the border 10. Okay, next we have the attrition by department. Copy paste. Copy paste also here. Increase a little bit. Okay, so select all of them, format, align, distribute horizontally. Okay, so this, it will be attrition, so remove the yes. It will be bar chart, right? We have education level, and on the legend we have the attrition. All right, so same thing, it will be attrition by education level. remove the grid lines, and also we change the colors. So columns for no it will be in blue, and for yes it will be in orange, the same colors. We can also remove the values and the title. Same thing for x-axis, we remove the title and we add the labels. Okay, here it will be same thing, the iteration by department. So delete this one, copy paste this one, because here we have the iteration without selecting iteration equals to yes, right? Can increase a little bit, and here instead of education we have the department. Next we have the iteration by work-life balance. So we have stacked bar chart, so copy paste this one. So we have stacked bar chart, right? And we have on the y-axis the work-life balance, and on the x-axis we have the total employees as count. Next we'll have the scatter plot, so put it in the center. So remove everything, we select scatter plot. So on the x-axis we have the age, don't summarize. On the y-axis we have the monthly income, right? And in the legend we have the iteration. Okay, now for this one we can add the titles. Okay, have the title, monthly income, and the age. For the markers we can change the type into this type, and also can decrease to -20, right? So as you can see, most of the ones who left, they have low salary comparing to the others, right? And also they are like less than 35 years old, so they are very young comparing to the others. So this would be, change the title to be age versus monthly income, right? And the last one, it will be the matrix. So create new one, matrix, right? So we have job satisfaction, columns, and the rows we have job role, and the values we have the attrition rate, right? So here we have the percentages. We just need to decrease the values and remove the subtotals. Okay, we can increase the values a little bit. So here we forgot to change the title. It will be iteration by work life balance. This one also we add the title, so it will be job satisfaction, job role, and the iteration in the center. Now for the colors, we're going to change that, right? Visual, we have cell elements, background color, can change it to the maximum value, it will be orange, and the lowest value it will be blue. Okay, can also put all the values in the center, right? Same thing for the row. All right, and we add the border. So if you close everything, we get exactly the same dashboard. So as you can see from our analysis, we have the iteration percentage, which is 16.12%, which is moderate because it is between 10 and 20%. We have the average of years at the company, 7 years. It is an analysis made for 1,470 employees, and the average monthly income in US dollars is 6,500. So for the iteration by education level, we have the third position comes in the first place, right, with 99 yeses, right? And same thing, most of them, they are male. So we have 150 male and 87 female. Whereas the department that had the highest value in iteration is the research and department. And we have the sales. And the last one is human resources. For the age, most of them, they are below 35, right? And also they have low monthly income. And as you can see here, for the job satisfaction, we have the highest value comes in the first level, which is bad, and most of them, they are sales representatives or human resources, right? So this is the job role. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching, and see you in next tutorial.